Hi, I'm Matt, the in-house game of Drone-ologist here at Red Pepper, and welcome to another edition of Touch on Tech, where we report on the latest emerging technologies. Do I look like a dragon? So augmented reality is showing up everywhere. It's even showing up on shoes now. So what would you do with augmented reality on your shoes anyway? Well, you can pull up a little filter and you can catch your shoes on fire. And then you can touch them because it's really not fire. So why is this so cool? Because you can upgrade things now with augmented reality. You can upgrade clothes. You can upgrade objects. You can probably even upgrade yourself with augmented reality. Version 2.0. So they're bringing to life all types of things like Jack Daniel's bottles. They're putting dragons on the top of the Flatiron Building in New York. Augmented reality is just making this world crazy awesome. So imagine the future when one day you can put on glasses that have augmented reality built into them. And you can put whatever clothes you want on anything or any person you want. Then life becomes a game. So are you like me and draw like a preschooler, but really want to be your own Picasso? Well, the NVIDIA labs have released some technology using deep learning that turn any preschooler drawing into a work of art that you could probably put in a gallery and somebody would probably buy. So soon computers are going to be able to create content that seems like it's actually coming from you. It's just been upgraded a little bit. So imagine Twitter prompting you with, hey Matt, you want to post this really clever, interesting tweet? Sounds like it's from you. Yeah. Aren't I just cool? So FindyBot 3000 is a little project that was put together by a DIYer that uses Alexa to actually help you find things physically. You just ask Alexa, hey, where's that washer I needed? Oh, it's right there. That was very helpful, Alexa. Could you help me find my kids? So the LED light system that's been installed on all the drawers, it communicates with Alexa through a little microcontroller. So when you invoke this skill onto the Alexa, it talks to that controller and then it knows where these things are, so it lights it up for you. So you know when you're on Spotify free and you keep getting these audio commercials given to you because you're refusing to pay for the upgrade to premium? Well, currently, whenever you hear one of those, the advertiser has no idea if you actually heard it or not. So there's no way for them to find that out. So Pandora thinks it's got the solution to this. It's going to be rolling out audio ads that you can actually talk back to. And then they find out that you were interacting with it, and boom, advertisers happy. So if it is true that Instagram ads are actually listening to you, maybe it's time to listen back. So in This Week in Skynet, Amazon has a mothership that's just roaming around cities. So this may or may not be a real thing, but the implications are kind of interesting. So imagine one of these blimps just showing up over Bonnaroo, dropping out drones, delivering waters, and all types of fun goodies that people like at music festivals. So that's it for another edition of Touch on Tech. Thanks for stopping by and spending some time with us, and we hope to see you next time on another edition of Touch on Tech. Consumerism!